Tim West here. I'm here to show you Chevron and how the key hidden levels can add to your ability to define entry and exit areas on a chart. Now I'm going to show you right off the bat that this set of indicators is available right here through the indicators menu. Click on here, go down to marketplace add-ons, and then go down to key hidden levels, and you'll see my 5 indicators. I call them key hidden levels. It's because it shows you where the key support and resistance areas are on a chart. And it does that in a simple but powerful way. And let's show you how they look on Chevron, which is my stock selection of the day here. Wanted to show you how nicely that these levels have provided excellent support and resistance. Notice here the last earnings report, which is shown with this E with a circle. August 1st they reported, and I don't know if they beat the estimate and the stock came down. So what happens is, where would you look for the stock to hold? Look at that. It shows that it stops right at 2 previous earnings levels, where it stopped on a dime on these 3 days. You could have been buying right here against these levels with extremely low risk, and really there's no one else would have seen that level. Maybe you could have seen it from this high here back in January, but either way, a nice exit is back at this line, and real quickly you could have, of course, sold short here against this line, because look at how volume declined going into this rally, and that sets up for a decline because there wasn't as much volume pushing the stock up. Now it's coming off. This is a volume and range expansion day. This is one of the other indicators. It's called range expansion. So when the price range expands and volume expands, it's going to show you red for down, green for up. So very nicely, very wide range here of trading, and volume is up, price is down. This is a pretty good candidate here for it to retrace back to these levels at the 125 area. I think that is an excellent expectation for this chart. Let's scroll back in time and see how these levels have been useful before, and you'll see very nicely that there's some nice tops in at previous key levels, some nice trading bottoms at previous levels, and so forth and so on. Even this low back in February deals with this low from a year before. Now these lines go for 1 year, and when they end, it's going to show you about where an earnings report is expected. So notice right here at the end of this line is where this earnings was reported. So let me double click on it for you to show you that these lines are running 12 months, and you can change the colors if you'd like. There's green, and those are the main functions. You can change it to 3, 6, 9, and 12 months extended into the future. So what I'm going to look for here is a trade back down here to this 124, 125. I'm going to be looking at volume, and I'm going to look at relative strength to the market. And as you may already know, the stock market is up at a high, and Chevron is making a lower high. So it's showing relative weakness. We want to be short the weak ones, generally speaking, and at other times when they're testing support, we want to be buying the weak ones if they can show some relative strength at a support level. So I'm throwing a lot of things at you, but I did want you to just look and see how nicely these levels work for Chevron. Again, to subscribe, you go up to indicators, go down to key hidden levels in the marketplace add-on section, key hidden levels, and hit subscription. It's a low monthly price and even lower price if you subscribe for an entire year. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, send me a private message on TradingView, and I will get back to you. You can see that I have a number of them here. So thanks for listening. Hope you have a great day of trading tomorrow, and look forward to hearing from you. Take care.